Welcome to Top Scalping Trading Strategy channel. This is my honest LuxAlgo review updated version. LuxAlgo is one of the most accurate premium indicator in TradingView. Now let's check LuxAlgo Premium Indicator features and see if it is still worth it to buy. I also introduce you 3 of my best strategies. I put the LuxAlgo Premium Indicator link in the description so you can get it and access the indicator. LuxAlgo Premium Indicators has a lot of features, so I introduce a simple but powerful strategy. First strategy. After you install the LuxAlgo indicator, click on the Signals and Overlays indicator. Here you will see different signaling models that you can use, whichever you want. In this strategy, I only turn on the Neo Cloud, and I don't change other settings. I set the time frame to 15 minutes, but we can also use this strategy on the 5-minute time frame. So now, when the candle comes out of the red cloud and comes back inside the cloud, and you see the sell signal, you can enter the sell position. You can set risk to reward according to your strategy. I usually set it to 1-to-1 or 1.5, where you can exit the position when you see the cross sign. Now, let's see some sell signals together. Keep in mind that you should not hurry up when you want to enter the position. The conditions should be exactly what you see in the strategy. And for the buy signals, when the candle comes out of the blue cloud and back inside, and you see the buy signal, you can enter the buy position. Second strategy. In this strategy, for a buy position, we should wait for a red or purple candle to hit the bottom of the smart trail and then enter when we see a buy signal. For a sell position, we enter when a green or purple candle hits the top of the red smart trail and then enter when we see a sell signal. Let's check some signals of this strategy together. The risk to reward is up to you. You can either choose a fixed number or you can exit the position when you see the cross option. As I mentioned before, you should not hurry up when you want to enter the position. The conditions should be exactly what you see in the strategy. This is the result of this strategy with LuxAlgo Premium Indicator. For this strategy, I use Signals and Overlays Indicator. You can go to Settings, turn on Smart Trail, and change it to 4. My signal sensitivity was 14. Other settings are like in the video, and you don't need to change anything else. If you want this indicator, I put the link in description. Third strategy. For this strategy, we install 2 indicators, Signals and Overlays, and Price Action Concept. We go to the settings of the Price Action Concept indicator and activate the Premium Discount Zone. This feature has 3 sections: Discount, Premium, and Equilibrium Zone. The discount section means that the price is good for buying. The premium section means that the price is too expensive and not suitable for buying. And the equilibrium section means that it is average and we should wait for the market to move. But we use it in a different way in this strategy. Then we go to the Signals and Overlays indicator and activate the Reversal Zone section. After that, put the candles to normal like me. When a candle goes to upper zone and after that goes under equilibrium zone and we see red candle, we enter the sell position. When a candle goes to lower zone and after that goes up from equilibrium zone with a green candle, we enter the buy position. It's better if the candle does not enter the upper or lower cloud after equilibrium. Now let's check some signals together. The reason I entered a sell position here is because the candle failed to break equilibrium upwards and returned, and I entered a sell position with a red candle. I didn't enter here either because the candle went into the upper cloud, and it's better for the candle not to go into the cloud. Now, let's check all the features of the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays indicator. When we click on the Signal and Overlays indicator, from the preset section we can use the different signaling models that the indicator has specified for us by default. Of course, all of these models can be changed. You can change the signal sensitivity according to the guide on the right side of the pattern. You can use different models including Smart Trail, Reversal Zones, Trend Catcher, Trend Tracer, Neo Cloud. Each of them has its own special features. You can use each of them for the strategy that you want, depending on your strategy. I have introduced you to 3 strategies that I use myself. You can also use the stop loss and take profit feature. If you enable this feature, you will see several lines as shown in the video. This simply indicates where your stop loss can be placed based on the signal and where your take profit should be. This value can vary depending on the signal and the feature you have enabled. Another great feature of this indicator is the autopilot sensitivity. which allows you to specify whether the signals you want to receive are short-term or long-term. For example, I have chosen long-term here. You also have a dashboard in this section where you can see exactly the trend strength, volatility squeeze, volume sentiment status, and get complete information about the market situation in real time without delay. You can also set your own custom alarm for any signal you want from this section, and there are many other features that are available in the indicator. The next indicator we want to review is the LuxAlgo Price Action Concept, which has many features. This indicator is useful for many traders who use order blocks or use features such as change of character, higher high and lower low. This indicator can also easily introduce trend lines for you and draw trading patterns for you. For example, I will activate this option here to identify the pattern. There is also a fair value gap option within this indicator. This is also my favorite premium discount feature that we used in the first video to create a strategy with that. And this is a LuxAlgo oscillator indicator with which you can automatically check money flow, divergence, and several other features, meaning you no longer need to manually look for divergence. It finds it for you. If you get the full version of LuxAlgo, you can also access the screener, as well as the strategy group and weekly backtests on Discord. For all updates, I will put the link in the description. You can get the LuxAlgo Premium Indicator by clicking on that link. Please note that this is not financial advice, and you are responsible for all your trading. These videos on the channel are for educational purpose and show the features of the premium LuxAlgo indicator. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video.